in the state of Wisconsin, we have our standard offer to purchase, right? But when you use a VA loan, if you use the addendum that realtors use for the water septic test and well test and stuff like that, what additional things does a veteran need to test for with the water if they have a well in the state of Wisconsin that's not necessarily standard within the purchase?
That's a loaded question, because the water test that's required for a VA loan is a water test that's meant to meet local requirements wherever the loan's taken out. Wisconsin's a tricky one because Wisconsin has real estate transfer requirements in terms of what needs to be tested for. But Wisconsin on private well and septic does not have any specific laws that speak to the quality of water itself. So in that case, and in many cases where the laws are similar, what will happen is the VA will require that the water is tested to meet EPA standards. So if you're in Wisconsin, it's common to test for nitrates and nitrites, coli, so coliform bacteria, and lead. And in many cases, a pH test is required as well. Not necessarily that's something that lender by lender may or may not be a requirement. But generally speaking, if the water meets local requirements and anything that a local area would require for water safety is met, you'll be fine when you're using your